Your character must have a clear goal. The story should show what he or she wants. Your character must also face a strong conflict. The story should show what prevents him or her from getting what he or she wants. If you get to do that, your audience would certainly love your character. For now, our third lesson is going to focus on writing your character's goal. The discussion on conflicts will follow next. Here are the guidelines for you to understand and to follow. Hi, I'm Dennis. I'm a scriptwriter and a trainer. I'm a Filipino based in Yangon. I work in a TV station and I teach in a media center here. Thank you for watching this video. This guides you in writing your script for a short narrative film. Remember that this video is a part of a series, so don't miss the rest of my uploads. By the way, it's better to take down notes as I discuss. So, are you ready? Let's begin. Let us study this illustration. Here, you see me. Imagine I am the character in your story. I want to fix the light. In script writing, what I want to do pertains to a goal. Now, check out what I am going to do to fix the light. Could there be a problem because of that? If you say yes, then in script writing, that problem becomes the conflict. The audience wants to find out if I would eventually get what I want. So that's what you need to do with your story. Let us learn more about your character's goal and let's discover some writing techniques. Experts say that an interesting character must want something. Because of this want, the story develops. Some books use other words to refer to goal. Please don't get confused about this. Some books would use the word want, desire, objective, mission, plan, ambition, or simply target. These words are synonyms. They all mean the same. They pertain to your character's goal. So you must remember that your character has to have a goal so that your story builds up. So now, how do you write a good goal statement for your character? Here are 3 guidelines for you to remember. First, a goal must be clear, concrete, or specific. In other words, it must be easy to understand. The audience should know exactly what it is. Second, you must set up your character's motivation for wanting that particular goal. Motivation refers to the reason why your character has his or her goal. And finally, reaching your character's goal must be time-bound. Your audience must know when the goal is to be met. Okay, let's study this example. In your story, a man wishes to marry a woman. He wants the wedding to happen in the next full moon. This clearly sets the goal, marriage. It is also concrete or specific because he wants the wedding to happen in the next full moon. Then you may continue to write this. The man is sick. The doctor spoke to him and said he may not live that long. By adding this to your story, you allow the audience to know and understand your character's goal. The motivation for the wedding is revealed and the time element is also stated. Your audience would want to see if your character is going to succeed or not. This is how you write a strong goal statement for your character. As a scriptwriter, your goal statement serves as your guide. It allows you to plan better. You get to put the important details in your story according to your character's goal. Please find time to watch the short narrative film entitled Snake Under the Bed. I found it here on YouTube and I provided the link below. Let's study how the film applied our recommended techniques. The main character is Ningto. What is his goal? He wants to wear a pair of military shoes. This is very specific. Why does he want to wear a pair of military shoes? What is his motivation? Ningto has a disability. Because of that, he couldn't join the army. By wearing a pair of military shoes, he thinks he would somehow feel like a soldier. But what's the conflict? Well, the State Home Ministry made an order that no one is allowed to wear military accessories. Is there a time element? Yes, he has to throw away or destroy his pair of military shoes, or he is going to put his life in great danger. What would he do? Because of you want to know the answer, you want to watch the film. That's a good example of a well-written goal statement. In summary, your character's goal statement should not be more than 5 sentences. You have to refer to it as you develop your script details. First, it has to be clear, concrete, or specific. Second, it must indicate your character's motivation. And most importantly, the time element must be provided. Here is an advice. If your story duration is not more than 10 minutes, focusing on a singular goal is very practical. However, if your plan is to shoot a longer narrative, a combination of goals may be more advantageous. Go back to your story or script and improve your character's goal based on these writing guidelines. Don't miss our next lesson. Our discussion will focus on writing strong conflicts. That's the end of my video. Don't miss the next part of this video series. Like, comment, subscribe. Message us if you have any questions. I promise to share about script writing, training, and anything in between. Happy writing!